welcome to the channel. So for today's video, we are learning a beginner line dance. It is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance with 1 restart on the 8th wall. So before we get into it, if you guys happen to like today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And okay, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so to start this line dance off, your feet are gonna go out, out, in, in. So the footwork is right, left, and the counts are and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. So let's try it together. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. So just a little reminder, it is right, left. One more time. Ready, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. Good. Next part, we're going to take our hips to our right. We're going to do like a little hip. We're going to go hip, hip, and then we're going to do the hips to our left, hip, hip. So the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Those hips to our right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole thing from the top. And 5, 6, here we go. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next part. We're going to do a grapevine to our right. So we're going to step right, left, behind, right, touch, left, then take it to our left, left, right, behind, left, touch, right. One more time from the grapevine. Ready, and right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Good. Let's take it from the top again. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next part. We are going to put our weight on that right foot and we're going to rock forward, right, back, left. Now that right foot's going to go back and you're going to put your weight on your right, left. So the footwork is right, left, right, left. So you're transferring your weight. So try it again. We rock forward and back. So it's right, left, right, left. One more time. Ready, and right, left, right, left. From here, we're going to take 2 half turns. So that right foot that's behind, you're going to step, you're going to bring it in front, and we are going to make a half turn to our left. Turn. So now you should have your left foot in front. Now that right foot's behind, we're going to bring it in front, and we're going to make another half turn, turning to our left. Turn. So again, from the half turns, we step right, left, left. One more time. Ready, and right, left, left. Good. Let's take it from the rocking forward and back. Starting with that right foot. Ready, and a rock, and half turn, half turn. A little bit faster. Ready, and rock forward, rock back, and a half turn, half turn. Okay, whole thing from the top, and then we only have a little bit more to add on. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like I said, there's only a little bit left to add on. So we are going to take 2 walks going forward, and you're going to step right, left. So try it with me. Ready, and right, left. From here, you're going to bring your feet apart, and you're going to step right, left. So try it with me. Right, left. Now, we are going to make a quarter turn to our left. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring that right foot in front, and we're going to step right, quarter turn left. So have your weight on that left foot as you turn, and then bring the right foot in. So again, from the new part, walking forward with that right foot. Ready, and right, left, out, out, step right, quarter turn left. Then we're going to bring our right foot in, and we're going to do some heel swivels. So I'm going to face the back so you guys can see, and I'm going to take it right, left. So when you bring the right foot in, we heel swivel, right, left. So going from the new part, 2 walks going forward, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time from that new part. Ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole line dance. And then you would start it again on the new wall. But we're going to do it one more time. Facing the wall we've been working at. And a 5, 6, ready, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so new wall, same dance. Let's take it from the very top, starting with that out, out, in, in. And you're stepping right, left, left. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock forward and back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. New wall, same dance. Let's try it again. And then I will show you guys the restart. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like I said, there is a restart, and it's on the 8th wall, so I'm going to show you guys that. So imagine we are at the 8th wall, but I'm going to face the back so you guys can see my feet and everything like that. So let's take it from the very top. Ready, in, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. So this is where the restart comes in. So the last thing we do is we rock forward and back, and you'd start the dance again from the very top. So let's do it from there. From the very top. So we just did the rock forward and back restart. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's new line dance tutorial. Now, if you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys like today's new video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!